The 2015 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, navigation system, power lift gate, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, universal garage door opener, climate control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.